In today's video, I'm going to show you how I ventilated this 2x6 closure. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor Simbi, and if you're new, you're welcome, and please subscribe. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back. You are the best. So let's get into the tutorial.
The eyes, and I keep you in my heart is where you are.
Firstly, I'm going to mark 2 inches right here at the back, and then I'm going to mark half an inch for the axis that is going to be at the back, and then I'm going to mark 6 inches coming to the front. So the other axis less on the side, I want half an inch, and the other remaining I'll just cut it off when I'm done ventilating. Make sure you're holding small portions of hair at a time, and then you're going to crisscross your hair like that, and then the 3 fingers holding it like that, and your thumb pressing it on your index finger like that, so that only the hair that you pick with your needle is the hair that will move. So for ventilation, I'm going to be using method number 1 of my hair ventilation pattern, and I'm picking only 2 strands of hair. So right here guys, I want to start off by making a curve. So I'm ventilating 1 row and skipping 1 row, ventilate 1 row and skipping 1 row, and I'm going to ventilate this line until where I want my curves to start. So right here I started ventilating from the middle of my closure, going to this other side, and then when I'm done with this side, I'm going to do the other side. So firstly, the thing you want to do first when you're starting to ventilate either a 2x6, a 4x4, or any other closure or frontal, you have to start off by making a curve right here guys. So I'm just going to continue to ventilate 1 row and skipping 1 row, picking only 2 strands of hair. So I'm going to continue until I reach where I want my curve to start. So just ventilate 1 row, skipping 1 row, ventilate 1 row, skipping 1 row. And guys, if you don't know how to ventilate, I have other beginner friendly tutorials that you can go and check out, so that you can get an idea of what I'm doing right here. So I'm just going to continue, and like I said before, when you reach where you want your curve to start, you're going to do your second line. So ventilate in between the hole that you skipped in the previous, and I'm going to ventilate 3 rows going to the other side, and this way guys it will form the curve. So I'm going to be adding 3 rows on each line. I will finish the lines later on. So right here, to form the curve, you're just going to add 3 more where your line is ending. You're going to start another line in front of it, adding 3 holes that you'll be ventilating guys. You can see what I'm doing right here. As you can see, my curve is starting to show, and you can stop when you've reached the point where you want the curve to stop guys. So I will be stopping it on that dot that you see right there, because that is where my 2 inches is ending. So I'm just going to continue adding 3 more holes on each new line, and I will stop when I reach the part where I want my hair that I will be ventilating to stop. So right here I'll be adding 2, because if I add 3, my curve will be bigger than what I want. So I'm going to ventilate in front of the hole that I skipped, and then I'm going to skip 1 row and add another one right here guys. As you can see, this is the curve, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So guys, if this is too fast for you, I'm going to link a slow motion tutorial on how to ventilate, so that you can see how, if this is too fast for you, you can check out the tutorial. I'm going to link it in the description box, so that you can check out the slow version of how to ventilate, and also the do's and don'ts of your ventilation if you are new to your ventilation. So right here, I'm just going to continue to fill in the line to join this side and the other side until I reach like about 1 inch, and then I will start to do the parting. So I'm going to continue to ventilate in front of the hole that I skipped in the previous line, and ventilating 1 row and skipping 1 row, ventilating 1 row and skipping 1 row, picking only 2 strands of hair right here at the back, and I will switch to 1 when I reach the front. So I'm just going to continue ventilating from this side to the other side until I reach 1 inch space ventilated, and then I will start doing my parting guys. I will show you how I do the parting, so that it will be visible.
We're staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah.
The portion of hair that is going to cover the back is going to be 1 inch, and then the parts on the sides are going to be 5 inches, and that will make our parting space 5 inches long. So right here guys, I'm going to skip one line that I'm going to be doing my parting guys. Only one line, it will be visible. Your parting will be so visible, so you don't need 2 or more. Just skip only one line and then continue filling in the sides guys. So skip one line right there and then continue to do the same method that we're doing at the back. So we're going to come ventilating in between the hole that we skipped in the previous line, and then we're just going to continue to do the ventilating one hole and skipping one hole, ventilate one hole and skipping one hole, picking 2 strands of hair. And make sure when you reach the line that you are going to skip, you skip that and then you continue ventilating. So after doing this, you skip the line that we want for our parting and then you continue to do the other side. So guys, make sure you skip you leave one straight guys, one straight vertical line. So make sure when you're placing your lace down on your mannequin before you start ventilating, make sure the lines that are vertical, there are vertical lines right there, make sure they are straight coming from the back to the front. Don't put it sideways guys, don't put it sideways. Make sure they are straight. As you can see, there are straight lines right there. Make sure they are coming from the back to the front. That way you get a straight parting and it will be easier for you to ventilate and do your patterns. So I'm just going to fill in the side, and guys, as you can see, the parting is very visible and I just skipped one line. So continue picking 2 strands of hair, skipping one row and ventilating one row. And when you're about a quarter of an inch before the hairline, we're going to start picking 1 strand of hair to get a natural look. So I'm just going to continue to do that.
My heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want.
When you reach where your parting is, make sure that you don't ventilate that. Make sure you don't ventilate that. So to start another line, just keep one row and then start another line and then ventilate going back to the other side guys. So you can do this side to side, side to side. It doesn't matter if you go from left to right all the way, or you go left to right, right to left, left to right, right to left. It doesn't matter. Just do what is comfortable for you. So right here at the front guys, I'm picking only 1 strand. So that is all. That is how you can ventilate your 2x6 guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and do let me know in the comment section if you've learned something. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, and I'm going to link other hair ventilation tutorial in the description box. Do go and check them out, and like this video if it was helpful to you guys. Please like, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your love and support. I appreciate you guys. So that is all guys. This is how you can ventilate this simple 2x6 closure. And if you want a smaller version like a 2x4, I have the tutorial. I'm going to link it in the description also. And this is the final look guys. This is the final look. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you in my next tutorial. Goodbye.